How to fix enter password for other iPhone. So if you're facing a problem of enter passcode for other iPhone, then here's the fix. So if you want to bypass the enter passcode for other iPhone, then there are two fixes. So the first thing you need to do is you just need to simply change your password. You can open up your iPhone and then you can go with your settings, and then you will have change password option. You can simply go with change password and change your password. But if that doesn't fix your problem, then the next thing you need to do is you just need to simply open up the settings. Once you open up your settings, you need to go with sign in to your iPhone, which is on the upper side, and it will take you to the sign in page where you need to enter your Apple ID and then your password. Once you enter your Apple ID and your password, it will take you to the next step where you need to enter the two-factor authentication. So simply enter the code which you have received to the ID that you have just entered. And once you enter the two-factor authentication, then it will ask you to enter your iPhone password. So enter the password you used to unlock this iPhone. And once you enter your current password, now it will take you to the next interface where it will ask you to enter the old password. So passwords, home, and other data are protected by the passcode previously used to unlock the iPhone. So the old password will protect your Apple ID, saved passwords, and other data stored in iCloud. Your password is encrypted and cannot be read by Apple. So you just need to simply enter the old password if you remember. And once you enter your old password, then your problem will be fixed. But if you don't remember the old password, then you just need to simply go with don't know iPhone password, and then you can go with the following on-screen prompts and you'll be able to fix that problem. So that's it. That's how you can fix enter passcode for other iPhone problem. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.